members of the Resistance.
It's okay. Just me.
We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise.
Dr. Nefarious. This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator!
Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
We've got to get him and us out of here. But without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. The boundaries between the universes are coming undone.
That's the ho-yo-ho-yo-ho! Our time has finally come! It worked!
Wow. Another Lombax.
Wait, I have to find my friend.
Where are you, Clank?
You okay, Bolts?
You came after me.
Pirate mateys, attack!
We didn't follow that Lombax and his robo-pen across dimensions just to get stopped by some fuzzballs!
Give it up for our hero!
Ratchet, we need your help. Nefarious
Dimensions? Reality crumbling? What's the story with all that? Find out on Zircon Jr.'s Almost Lunch Party! Dimensional chaos is ravaging the universe, affecting all life as we know it! Like this! And this! Even this! How will our heroes solve the dimensional cataclysm?
Oh my.
An evil emperor with armies at his disposal, and only 2 Lombaxes and a tiny little robot to save the day! How will they win? Exciting, huh? That's it? We're done! Welcome back to Zircon Jr.'s Almost Lunch Party! And today we will discuss planets! What better way to take in the sights of Nefarious City than wall running from Imperial troopers? Or perhaps you'd prefer the epic yet alluring landscapes of Sargasso? Ride the Speedo! Or explore the filthy death trap that is Molinoth? Grind the rail! Our journey includes new planets, new versions of old planets, and alternate dimension versions of old and new planets! What's that? You want more? We'll play the game! It's gorgeous! Just look at it! Look at it! Until next time, when we discuss the glory of story.
Clank!